I have a long trunk and big ears. Elephant. I am known as the king of the jungle. Leon. I carry my house on my back. Snail. I can change colors to blend in. Chameleon. I have black and white stripes. Zebra. I am the tallest land animal. Giraffe. I can swim and waddle on land. I live in cold places. Penguin. I have a pouch to carry my babies. Kangaroo. I produce milk and say moo. Ka. I have a mane and am a big cat. Leon. I have a horn on my nose. Rhino. I can mimic human speech. Parrot. I am known for my laugh-like call. Hyena. I hang upside down and sleep during the day. Bat. I have 8 legs and spin webs. Spider. I am a flightless bird from New Zealand. Kiwi. I have a sticky tongue to catch insects. Frog. I am a symbol of wisdom. Owl. I can regrow my tail if it breaks off. Lizard. I am known as man's best friend. Dog. I have a shell and move very slowly. Tortoise. I have a bushy tail and love nuts. Squirrel. I have a long neck and eat leaves from tall trees. Giraffe. I live in the ocean and have tentacles. Octopus. I am a black and white bear from China. Panda.